Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to go for Betterment options step by step. Begin by naming one clear goal and set a realistic deadline, then break it into tiny wins. Write down 3 daily actions that directly support that goal and commit to tracking progress each day. Remove one unnecessary activity that distracts you and replace it with a chosen habit. Keep the process simple and repeatable to maintain momentum. Start your plan by listing potential actions and scoring them for impact and effort. Then schedule 2 to 3 focused blocks per week to work on top priorities. Use a simple tracker to record what you did and how it moved you closer to your goal, then review every Sunday to adjust your plan. Prioritize consistently so momentum builds naturally and you avoid spreading effort across too many low-value tasks. Create support by telling someone your plan and setting regular check-ins, or join a group with similar objectives for encouragement. Arrange your environment to make the desired action easy and set reminders to prompt you at key times. Celebrate small wins with a quick reward to reinforce the behavior and keep motivation high. Over time, these supports become part of your routine and make sustained progress much easier to maintain.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.